Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English Hour. My name is Chantel.
And I'm Dylan. We are so glad you are joining us today.
We have a great topic for you today. It's something everyone needs to know, especially if you love to travel.
That's right. Today, we're talking about what to say when you are lost.
Oh, getting lost. It sounds scary, but it doesn't have to be.
Exactly. I remember one time I was in Paris. I got off the metro at the wrong stop. I had no idea where I was.
Oh no, what did you do?
Well, at first I was a little nervous, but then I found a small bakery. I went inside and asked for help. The woman was so kind.
That's a wonderful story. It shows that people are usually happy to help.
They are. And knowing just a few simple phrases in English can make a big difference. It can change a scary situation into a good experience.
That is our goal today. We want to teach you some easy and useful phrases so you can feel confident, even if you are lost.
We will go slowly and we will practice together. Are you ready?
Let's begin. So, the first step. You are lost. You need help. You must talk to someone. But how do you start the conversation?
Right. You can't just walk up to a person and start asking questions. It's important to be polite.
Exactly. The best way to get someone's attention politely is to say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me. It's simple, it's polite, and everyone understands it.
Yes. Let's say that together. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Another phrase you can use is, "Sorry to bother you."
Sorry to bother you. This is also very polite. It shows you know the person might be busy.
Right. So you can choose, "Excuse me" or "Sorry to bother you." Both are very good.
Okay, so now you have their attention. They've said yes or how can I help? What's next?
Now you need to explain your problem. The most simple way is to say, "I'm lost."
I'm lost. Very direct and very clear.
You can also ask for help directly. For example, "Can you help me, please?"
Adding please is always a good idea. It makes the question softer.
It does. So let's put it together. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please? I'm lost."
That's a perfect sentence. Anyone will understand that.
Now, often you are not just lost. You are looking for a specific place.
Right, like a museum, a hotel, or the train station.
For this, we can use the phrase, "I'm looking for."
I'm looking for, and then you say the name of the place. Let's try some examples.
Okay, I'll say the place. You make the sentence. Ready? The bank.
I'm looking for the bank.
Good. A supermarket.
I'm looking for a supermarket.
Perfect. Last one. This address. Maybe you have a piece of paper with the address written on it.
I'm looking for this address, and then I would show them the paper.
That's a great idea. Showing the written address is very helpful because pronunciation can sometimes be difficult.
Good point. So now we can ask the actual question. We can ask for directions.
Yes, there are a few ways to do this. A very common and simple question is, "Where is?"
Where is the nearest subway station?
Where is the Grand Hotel?
Simple and effective. Another great question is, how do I get to?
How do I get to the city center? This question asks for the steps, the path.
That's a good distinction. Where is asks for the location. How do I get to asks for the instructions to get there.
Yes, and there's another very useful question. Sometimes you don't know if you should walk or take a bus.
Right. It could be 5 minutes away or 50 minutes away.
So you can ask, "Is it far from here?"
Is it far? Very smart. This tells you if you need to prepare for a long walk or find a bus stop.
Okay, so let's imagine you've asked your question. Now comes the hard part for many learners, understanding the directions.
Yes, listening can be tricky, but usually people use the same simple words. Let's talk about those words.
Okay, the most common words are left and right. L-E-F-T, left, and R-I-G-H-T, right.
So someone might say, turn left at the corner.
Or, the bus stop is on your right.
Another very common phrase is go straight.
Yes, go straight means continue forward. Don't turn. Go straight on this street for 2 blocks.
Okay, so we have turn left, turn right, and go straight. What else?
People often use landmarks. Landmarks are easy to see places like a bank, a big tree, or a bridge.
That's helpful. So they might say, turn right at the traffic lights.
Exactly. Or, the museum is past the bridge.
And what about prepositions of place? Words like next to or opposite.
Yes, those are very important. Next to means beside. The cafe is next to the bookstore.
Okay, so they are side by side.
And opposite means on the other side of something, usually the other side of the street. The park is opposite the hospital.
Another one is between. The pharmacy is between the bank and the shoe store.
Right, in the middle of two things. This vocabulary is key to understanding directions.
And something that can help a lot with this is having a map.
Oh, yes. A map on your phone or even a paper map is a great tool. You can ask for help with your map.
What would you say?
You can open your map and say, "Can you show me on the map?" This way, the person can point and you can see the route. It's visual.
That's so much easier than just listening. You can point and say, "We are here," right?
Yes, and then, "I want to go here." It makes communication very simple.
I think it's time to put all of this together. Let's practice with a role play.
Great idea. In our first role play, I'll be a tourist looking for a museum. You are a local person on the street.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you.
It's no problem. How can I help?
I'm looking for the art museum. I think I'm lost.
Ah, the art museum. Yes, you are going in the wrong direction, but don't worry, it's not far.
Oh, okay. How do I get there?
You need to turn around and go straight on this street.
Go straight. Okay.
Walk for about 5 minutes. You will see a big park on your left.
A park on my left. Got it.
The museum is opposite the park. It's a large, old building. You can't miss it.
So go straight, find the park on the left, and the museum is opposite.
That's it.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the museum.
That was great. Now let's try another situation. This time, I am the local, you are the tourist, and you need to find a place that is far away.
Okay, my turn. Here I go. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can you help me? I'm looking for the airport. Is it far from here?
The airport? Oh, yes, it's very far. You cannot walk. You need to take a bus.
A bus. Okay. Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is very near. Go straight down this road. You will see a bank on the corner. The bus stop is in front of the bank.
Okay, in front of the bank. Do you know which bus I should take?
Yes, you need to take the number 747 bus. It goes directly to the airport.
Number 747. Thank you, that's very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Those role plays are great for practice. You hear how the conversation flows.
And now we have some final, very important tips for our listeners.
Yes, these tips can help in any conversation. What's the first one, Chantel?
Tip number 1. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Most people are kind and will be happy to help you. A smile is a universal language.
That's so true. Don't be shy. What's tip number 2?
Tip number 2. If you don't understand the directions, it is okay to ask again.
What can you say if you don't understand?
You can say, "Sorry, I don't understand." Or, "Could you say that again, please?"
Could you say that again, please? That's a very polite way to ask someone to repeat.
Yes. And if the person is speaking too fast, you can ask them to speak slower. You can say, "Could you speak more slowly, please?"
That is so helpful. Native speakers sometimes forget to speak slowly. It's okay to remind them.
And our final tip, which is very important. After you get help, always say,
Thank you.
exactly. You can say thank you very much, or thanks a lot. It's very important to show you are grateful.
It's a wonderful way to end the conversation and leave the person with a good feeling.
Well, that was a lot of information. Let's do a very quick review of the most important phrases from today.
Good idea. Okay, Chantel, ask me the situations.
Okay, what do you say to get someone's attention?
Excuse me.
What do you say when you are looking for the train station?
I'm looking for the train station.
How do you ask where it is?
Where is the train station? Or how do I get to the train station?
If you don't understand, what do you say?
Could you say that again, please?
And when the conversation is finished?
Thank you very much.
Perfect. We hope these phrases help all of our listeners feel more comfortable and confident when they speak English.
Yes, remember, getting lost can be an adventure when you have the right words.
That is all the time we have for today on the English Hour.
Thank you for listening. Join us again next time for another useful lesson.
Until then, goodbye.
Bye, everyone.